Want your iPhone to quietly check unknown calls before you ever pick up? Here's how to use call screening on iOS 26 in under a minute. First, unlock your iPhone and go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Phone, then tap it. This is where you manage everything about calls on your iPhone. Look for the option called Call Screening, then tap to open it. Here's where you tell your iPhone how to handle unknown numbers and suspected spam. First, turn on call screening using the main toggle at the top. Now choose what to do with unknown callers. You can send them to screening so they're checked before ringing through. Next, decide how aggressive you want spam blocking to be, from basic filtering to stricter blocking. You can also allow calls from your contacts and favorites to always ring through, even with call screening on. When a screened call comes in, you'll see a small label showing it's being checked before it rings. That's it. With call screening on in iOS 26, your iPhone does the first check, so you only spend time on the calls that matter.